Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Bybit to Phantom Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first step is you're going to need to simply open up your Bybit app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Here, click on the assets on the bottom right corner. Then you're going to need to click on the withdraw button and then click on the search icon and search for Solana. Once you search for this, make sure to go for the official. Here you have to input the Solana address. So you're going to need to open up your Phantom wallet and click on Solana. Then click on the receive button and copy your address. Then come back to Bybit and paste this address here. After that, select the network, and then you're going to need to simply enter the amount and then click on the withdraw. But make sure to give it a test try before proceeding for the larger amount. Make sure to give it like $5 or $10 and then transfer a larger amount. So that's basically how you can transfer Solana from Bybit to Phantom Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.